Hey guys, so we will be doing some unboxing. So I got a package like a few minutes ago and it's my first time to buy something like this. So I want to share it with you guys. I feel like super late na ako sa trend na to, but I don't know. It's better late than never, di ba? Sabi nga nila. Oh my gosh. I was able to buy this kasi one of my friends, si Anagon, she bought like a tempura stuffed toy. And I was like, okay, that's cute. Then, nag-pop up tong Pop Mart Philippines sa live sa TikTok. And I was like, okay, let's, just watch. Then, nakita ko tong series na to. So, this is the You Found Me plush doll pendant series, Skull Panda. So, they're so cute kasi parang walang tapon. Ito siya, guys. So, ito yung mga pagpipilian. Parang 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. 9, tama. 9 siya. Ayan. So, oh my gosh, I don't know. So, super cute lang lahat. But if piliin ako, I wanna get the Cerberus saka Ratty Bear kasi light purple saka dark purple sila. But guys, tingnan nyo, wala talagang tapon. So, unbox this with me. So, it's a mystery box. I don't know kung anong laman niya. I don't know bakit kinakaadikan to ng karamihan. But, let's go. Let's do this. So, okay. Ayan, ganyan. Oh my God, it's really my first time as a labubo. Pero hindi talaga siya labubo. Pero, oh my gosh, paano ba siya binubuksan ng tama? May right way ba ng pagbubukas? Okay. Nasira ko na siya. Nakikita ko lang to. Okay. So, meron siyang kasama na card. You sneaky chestnut. Okay. Oh my God! Ano kaya ang naman niya? Ay, kinakabahan ako. So, okay, ito na siya, guys. Okay. Oh, cutie din naman siya. Ito siya, guys. So, sino siya here? Siya si, Sneaky Chestnut. Oh, okay. So, kapag ba ito yung lumabas, so ito na yung makukuha. Oh, yun ba yun? Okay. Dapat pala di ko tinignan. Paano ba? So, yeah. So, I got the Sneaky Chestnut. I'm still happy though. Di ba cute pa din naman siya? Okay, eto siya. Hello, Sneaky Chestnut. So, I'll be putting this bag of the day na gagamitin ko if ever na lalabas tayo. So, hey! So, let's see kung madadagdagan siya. Tingnan natin kung magiging series to ng Pop Mart na You Found Me, unbox it with me. I don't know, but Lord. So, yay! Till next time!